Hello friend, in this video lecture I am going to discuss about the second example of C# multiple choice question interview question. So here you can see this option we have, and this is the code, or here you can see, or this is the code related with copy to, and here this is the code that related with clone method. So what will be the exact answer of this program? So think of 50 seconds. Now here I'm going to execute. Just guess. So time is almost up. Now you can see the answer. So I think it has taken the 20-second times to run. And here I'm getting the output Poco Sony. So how's the output come? So suppose here copy to str2, and here if you take the cursor on copy to, so here you need to give on the first parameter array. So array that I have given str2. Now here array into index. So index I have given 2. So 0 1 2. Okay. Now many people think that here or that start doing the indexing on the 2, so that here and str1 of 2 position that store null. So it this is not matters. Now here str2 of 2, so it should be the display or Samsung because the indexing is start from 2. Okay, then many will just give the answer Samsung, and here clone method. So clone method about here, or it should be display st of 1 of 3. So 0 1 2 3. So 3 index. So Sony is there. So many people give the answers Samsung and Sony. So it's not correct. So how's that output come? So this is copy to method, and here you can read this all. Copy all elements current one dimension, and one dimension is specified array index. The index is specified 32-bit. So for the code explanation, let's go on the debug, and here is step info. So here is step info. Now here you can see the when you debug the code, then first that control comes to main method, or let's scroll down here. This is the pointing. Now here after let's use a step info. You can use the function key and F11. Now control comes to this point. Okay, and here you can see, let's click step info once again. Now here you can see str2 value is now initially that is stored null, and str1 has this all values. Here you can, if I click str1, that 0 1 2 3, that store this values. Now here after f11 once again. Now that start doing, so str1 is the source and copy to, so this is the destination, and from the index 2. So still str1, this is copying this all values. Now here after f11, and here you can see now take the cursor on str2. Okay, so str2, now here you can see, so the index that exactly start from 0, and here the index that exactly start from 0 0 index null, 1 index null, and here on 2 index. So since I have given the it's do the indexing on 2, so that here it's start doing the copying on 2 index. So 2 index Poco, iPhone, Samsung, Sony, and since I have given the size 10, so that here you can see it go to 0 to 9, and rest place that is store null. So when you are using copy 2, if you give the index 2, so it start doing the indexing on 2 position or this all values. So it's start doing the means copying the values from the 2 index. If you give 1, then start copying on 1 index, and 0 index that store null. So this is the concept here of this program. So that when str2 of 2 position, so it's value it's displaying POCO, because 0 index that store str, or 2 of 0 index that store null, 1 index that store null, and on str2 of 2 index that store POCO. So it's start doing the indexing on 2 and this all element. And about the clone method, that I already discussed in my last video, so you should check this last video. And if you take the cursor, so clone method generally do deep copying, so that here it create a new reference for each for new array, so that this cloning of st1 and st1 this all values, and st2 of 3 position 0 1 2 3, so it's null. So it's of fact only st2 of 3, but I'm creating st1 of 3. So 1 of 3 or that doing the copy and storing this values. So st1 cloning and storing to st2, and st2 has this new values, and st2 of this new values that 3% Sony is there, so that it's displaying Sony. So the correct output is the POCO and Sony. So this is the way that code works. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.